is that it adds this sweet taste to the pork chops. It doesn't defeat the whole purpose of the Chardonnay sauce, but it adds just a hint of sweetness to the pork chops, and that's what I like about it. So I then distribute the lemongrass glaze over my pork chops just to give it that sweet taste and also to add that sheen to my pork chops. After distributing the lemongrass glaze over the pork chops, I then went ahead and pop it into the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And afterwards, you know, say me have to try it out and see how it is tasting. And guys, I absolutely love this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious and tasty Chardonnay pork chops with lemongrass glaze. Bye.